Ah, you bastard. Stay there. About there, I think. It's charging. Right, let's set up the camera. I'm going to treat this as a vlog, okay? Even if no one's in the live or not. I'm just going to pretend I'm filming, which I was going to do anyway. Right. I won't fucking stretch that far. Fuck. Got a short lead. I got a short lead, my son. Welcome. Right. I've only got a short lead. Right, let's make this coffee before we begin and position the brick. I want it to, the trangia is going to go there. I'll put that next to there like that. I'll place that there. Right. There we go. Right, let's get rid of that. I'll give you a view while I look at the screen. Come on, just stop flapping around, you bastard. Why don't we rewrite the stars and say you'll be mine? Does it stop raining? Not raining. Hi mate, let me switch you around. I want to open the door. I think it stopped raining. Right, so I've positioned the Trangia. If I put it a little bit further this way, so when I'm opening and closing the door, it's not very flat, is it? Okay, so if I switch over the slate over to the other side. So I'm just trying to position the Trangia so when I'm opening and shutting the door, it's not going to like melt. Right, I'm going to attempt to open the door. So if I just shorten the leg down there, and if I can just position you there. It stopped raining, so I want to open the door. Yeah. Get the right angle of the shut. So because I'm going to cook, I have to be very, very fucking careful. That's a fucking better view, isn't it? Inside the tent, fucking lovely. Look at that. Look at that, Nat. What do you think about that? No sound? About now? No sound? I've got the audio jack in. What about now? Any sound before I start beginning? Before I begin? Any sounds? Nat, before I begin? Oh. All I want to do is make a coffee. I could use a Trangia. So you're saying there's no sound? What if I put like there? Nat, is there any sound? Nat, is there any sound? No sound. Right. I don't know why. Let me check the setting. Right, let me just check. Some reason come out. I'll come back in.